than anybody ever thought, even when she did her first flight in 2007 and her first display season in 2008. Look for the bomb doors opening as she comes by. Bomb doors are now open. Stanley runway, two of them hit, start half the course.